Welcome back, everybody, to the second installment of Boozy Basement here at John Brown's Underground. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most well-known but most misinterpreted or bastardized cocktails out there, the Daiquiri. It really, in its purest form, should just be rum, lime, and sugar put in the right proportions. So I'm going to magically put an apron on and we're going to make a couple for you. Alright, here we go. And there we are. Alright, apron on, ready to start building our classic Daiquiri. First off, we're going to start out here with our lime juice. We're going to do 0.75 ounces of our lime juice into the jigger and then right on into the tin. After that, we'll move on to our simple. In our spirit, we like to follow a Goldilocks rule at John Brown's Underground in the Boozy Basement of 2 ounces of spirit, 0.75 of our citrus, 0.75 of our sugar, and in this case that's again 1-to-1 simple. That way we find that it's the most balanced drink possible, not too sweet, not too tart, and not too spirit forward, and lets the drink be bigger than the sum of its parts. So after that, we're going to move on to the rum. Now, the rum obviously is the most important part of a Daiquiri. Here we're using Probitas rum, which is a blend of pot and column still rum from two powerhouse distilleries, Foursquare in Barbados and Hampton Estate in Jamaica, blended by none other than Richard Seale. Really, any white rum that you can find will do, but I really do recommend Probitas. As you see here, I get a little carried away and finish it off for myself. It's just that good. So after you have your 3 ingredients in your shaker, go ahead and add some ice to it. 1 healthy scoop will do just fine. Make sure you're careful here and don't lose one like I did. But after you have the ice in and clean it up there, you're going to go ahead and shake it pretty vigorously. Give it a good, 10 to 20 second heavy shake. This is the entire dilution that's going to go in to the Daiquiri. It's not going to be served on ice of any kind. No true Daiquiri is blended or served on the rocks, so go ahead and really shake it here. And then once you're done shaking, go ahead and open that up. Find your Hawthorne strainer, which you're going to just plop right on top. The glassware we use here is a coupe. I think it's really the only glassware the Daiquiri should be served in. It's also my favorite glassware of all time. Double strain as you pour into the coupe to make sure you don't have any pulp or ice chunks and you get the absolute smoothest Daiquiri that you can ever have. Go ahead and clean your workstation up. Your drink is not finished until your workstation's clean, as everyone will say. I'm going to magically jump to the right here a little bit. Zoop, there we are. Okay, and there's your Daiquiri. Enjoy. Now, while the classic Daiquiri is amazing, let's go ahead and reset and I'll show you our favorite variation on the Daiquiri here at John Brown. And there we are. Set right back up into one. Now, while you will catch any of us drinking a Daiquiri here, the Daiquiri that we're probably drinking is the Gayle Seale Daiquiri. That's named after the Gayle Seale of Foursquare fame. The basic build is fairly similar, but the differences really come down to the ingredients used. Now, we still have the 0.75 fresh squeezed lime juice that I had right there. No differences in our sour element, but the first big difference definitely comes in our sweet element, where instead of simple, we use Velvet Falerno, which is a lime and clove liqueur that also features notes of ginger and almond. This is essentially just a simple that's made way, way, way better from Barbados. It's just going to add a little bit more complexity and more flavor to the drink. The one we use here is Velvet Falerno, which is definitely our favorite. You can find others. This one is slightly alcoholic, so it's shelf stable at only 11%, but that is most certainly our favorite. One of the other big differences is here with the Gayle Seale, we use bitters, Angostura bitters to be exact. These are your regular aromatic bitters. You'll find these at any bar or liquor store, but they are the one new ingredient that we add. This is going to be to add a little bit more clove, a little bit more spice, but also these are blending bitters, so they help blend all of the flavors of our sweet and our sour and our spirit. We're going to do about 4 dashes. And the biggest difference, in my opinion, moving up into the Gayle Seale Daiquiri is the rum we use. Now, we're going to use Foursquare's Sagacity. That is coming from their most recent exceptional cask. This is a Barbados rum. For Gayle Seale to be a Gayle Seale, you have to use Barbados rum. That is a 12-year aged rum that's aged in ex-bourbon and ex-Madeira casks. It's a blend of both pot and column still, and it's a sharp 96 proof, so you'll definitely be getting everything you could possibly want out of it. And there you are. Those are your ingredients that go into it. The only thing we have left to do now is just add that ice back in. Let's see if I can get away with this one without spilling. And he nails it. That's it, right there, perfect. Same thing goes here though, gonna be using the coupe, so we're not gonna have any ice, it's not gonna be blended, it's not gonna be on any rocks and that such, so go ahead and shake it up pretty good here, same amount, nice and vigorously, about 10-20 seconds until you feel the sides of the tins get cold. Pop it right open, throw that little tin under it, make sure you get every little drop out of it, then find your coupe, again, the only thing a daiquiri should be served in. Throw your hawthorn on there, hawthorn's that one with the strainer around the rim, plop it right in. Find your double and fine strainer, make sure you get all of your lime bits and little ice shards out of it so you get the nice smooth drink. Now you'll see that one of the big difference in the appearance here is obviously because we've added those bitters in, we're going to get that kind of orange or yellow color to it. That's exactly how it should look. That's how you know it's going to be as fantastic as these are. And there we go, got it, perfect, done. So that's it, guys. Throw it on a This Does Not Suck coaster and you have the Gayle Seale Daiquiri. Thank you guys for watching again. I can't wait to get you another one of these, and until I see you next time, I don't know, I guess keep drinking daiquiris. I know I will.